Hi everyone. In this video, we will learn what is marketing and why does digital marketing matter more than ever before. Whether you are starting a business or just exploring this field, this session will help you get a full picture. Marketing is more than just advertising. It's about understanding people, their needs, wants, habits, and matching them with products or services that solve real problems. You're connecting the right person with the right product at the right time through the right message. Example, a local gym in Los Angeles offering New Year discounts isn't just selling fitness. They're helping people with their health goals. Every marketer works with 4 levers. We call them 4 P's. Product, what you offer; price, what you charge; place, where people find it; next, promotion, how people learn about it. Example, a startup in Berlin builds an app for language learning. Here, product, fun gamified lessons. Price, £1.9 per month. Place, an app store and Google Play. Promotion, YouTube influencer and shoutouts. Let's go back 20 years. Businesses advertised via TV and radio ads, newspaper classifieds, leaflets and posters, word of mouth. These were powerful, but they lacked precision. You couldn't tell who saw the ad or whether it led to a sale. With the rise of the internet, everything changed. Digital marketing uses online tools to reach people worldwide, target specific audiences, track and optimize performance in real time. It's not just a shift in channel, it's a shift in how we think about reaching people. Now, digital marketing is the heartbeat of communication. Why? People spend hours on screens. You can advertise for $10 to $10,000, flexible for all budgets. You learn fast what works, what doesn't. You connect with people where they already are. Example, Instagram, YouTube, Google, email, mobile apps. Let's walk through a real world example. A person sees at 8 a.m. an Instagram reel for travel backpacks in New York. At 12 p.m., Google's best backpacks under $50. At 4 p.m., reads a blog comparing top 5 blogs. 7 p.m., watch a YouTube review. At 9 p.m., buy it via Amazon ad suggestion. This is not a theory, it's how real people shop today, influenced across channels. With digital marketing, businesses can build loyal communities like D2C brands, tell brand stories with emotion, sell while you sleep, literally via automation, respond to customers instantly. Example, an online boutique in Toronto responds to DMs and closes sales in minutes. Modern digital marketers need to know social media strategy, Instagram, LinkedIn, X, Google Ads and SEO, email campaigns and automation, content writing and video editing, analytics and reporting. You don't need to master all, but knowing how they connect gives you power. The next wave is personalization, automation and AI, all powered by data. You'll see personalized video ads, predictive shopping, voice-based marketing like Alexa, Siri, augmented reality demos in ads, and most of it fully automated, optimized, and trackable. In this journey, we'll take you from beginner to confident beginner. Going forward, we will cover how to set up campaigns, or what is social media growth, search ads strategies, tools like Canva, Notion, and ChatGPT. You'll go from watching ads to making them. Marketing today is storytelling powered by data. If you connect, solve, and inspire, digital marketing gives you the tools to grow anything, a business, a brand, or even your own personal career. Thanks for watching.